must be Stanley. I'm Blanche.
Stella's sister.
Yes.
Hello. Where's the little woman?
In the bathroom.
Huh. Didn't know you were coming in town. Where are you from, Blanche?
Streetcar Named Desire, one great play written by American playwright Tennessee Williams, who won Pulitzer Prize for the drama writing in 1948. The play's first performance was in December 3rd, 1947, opened on Broadway.
Did you ever hear of the Napoleonic Code?
No, Stanley, I haven't heard of the Napoleonic Code.
Let me enlighten you on a point or two.
Yes.
In the state of Louisiana, we have what is known as the Napoleonic Code, according to which what belongs to the wife belongs to the...
It has a Southern Gothic genre, and its setting occurs in downtown New Orleans with three main characters, Blanche, Stella, and Stanley. Blanche, as a disturbed widowed woman who decided to leave the small town in Mississippi to move in with her younger married sister Stella and her brother-in-law Stanley in New Orleans.
There's something downright bestial about him. You're hating me saying this, aren't you? Come on and say it, old Blanche. He has an animal's habits. He eats like one, moves like one, talks like that one. There's even something subhuman, something not quite to the stage of humanity.
She has no money and nowhere to go. She finds her brother-in-law Stanley too loud and rough, and eventually referring to him as Common Stanley. On the other side, Stanley does not care for Blanche's manner, dislikes her presence, and starts questioning her about her early marriage. One night during one of Stanley's poker game parties, Stanley gets drunk, and all of a sudden he gets so mad over a music that Stella has been playing. Stanley assaults Stella and starts to beat her, so the story goes on.
Straight, I got you.
Stanley, what are you doing to my radio?
Get the hell out of my way.
Drunk animal thing, you!
Take it easy, Stella.
Oh, look, you please go home if you have one spark of decency in you.
That's the last time you'll play the radio.
Considering the scenic design aspect of this great play, using set design, costumes, props, and lightings to convey the message are considerably important. Emphasizing on the dual conversation between characters and making a good contrast between Blanche and Stanley in their thoughts and actions are substantial. Utilizing specific costumes and props for actors to call attention to motifs inside the play, its place, and its time era in the story are nicely done in this show. Stella's apartment set and its design refers us back to old New Orleans, and the lighting design convey duality and contrasting perceptions. The straight line set design, which consists of a two-bedroom apartment in 1940s, plays a key role in highlighting that character contrast between Stanley and Blanche.
I must have lost my head for a moment. Everyone has something who won't let others touch because of their intimate nature.
That thin curtain hangs between the room and is a symbol of the delicate balance between Blanche's dreamy world and Stanley's cruel reality. On the other side, rough kitchen area, which is not clean with poker chips and alcohol present, Stanley's character. However, that bedroom filled with fancy dresses, feathery scarves, and perfumes represents Blanche's character. Bringing these two contrasting elements and characters together in one place is the art of a scenic design.